Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. This tutorial will learn how you can upload 2 photos on Bereal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Play Store on your device and update the application. Then simply open up the application and tap on the take your Bereal option present on the screen. Now your camera will open up. You can see that my camera has opened, and if you notice the interface, you can see that there are two options available. The first one is the flash and the second one is used to flip the camera. To click a photo, tap on the shutter button in the middle and wait for a few seconds. You can see that the camera has clicked 2 photos, one from the rear camera and one from the front facing camera. You can also press and move the front camera picture anywhere on the canvas. You can also check the pictures you send by going to your profile on the top right corner. And that's how you can upload 2 photos on Bereal. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.